How to see TikTok analytics. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can view your TikTok analytics. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your TikTok application from your device. Then tap onto your profile on your bottom right. Then tap on three-bar icon on your top right. Go to Settings and Privacy. Here tap onto Account. In order to view your TikTok analytics, first of all, you need to switch your account to your business account. Tap on Switch to Business Account, tap on Next, choose any category that fits you and tap on to Next. Once you have done that, add your email address or add your bio. You can just skip these steps. Once done, refresh your page and tap on three-bar icon again. Here tap on Business Suite at the second option. You will be shown Analytics option at the first one. Tap onto it. Just like so, this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.